Ka Wanrida Pyngrope ka badai ka wei na pedeng giting shop ki puran bai shem benta ha ki Phlim khasi kala pen paw ya ka jingsong kemen ba shen ka wei ni ki Phlim ka bakala ak ka Haban Tony on sa pen ipai ba ha biju cinema kala ya thu ba ka ni ka Phlim ka de ka Phlim ka bai khle bun ki ki ban pen sultanat bat pen bernyai ki pai ba nong pen nadu ki jingruai ki jingkemen ki jingsong si ki jinge sho edat bat hoi ka don ru ka jinge kni samla ha pedeng arngut ki puran ya wei ting shop bat utau dari Daniel Nongrom ubla shem ye ki ar ki benta bakongsan kum Haban bat utoni.
Hello ngadi Wanrida Pyngrope ngadi actress bat ngal asim benta lai tali ki film ka film banga ang ningkang kadai ka hanga marway ba ar kadai Haban Tony bat balai mentang ngadang ngidang ya shoot ka kendailan. Again, hakane ka film Haban Tony ru nga akum Ïaid and kane ka film kadai pang love triangle ba ngi ju sham man kapor bon basham. So kadai ka entertainment movie fighting ru don comedy ru don hi te kajing Ïaid love triangle crying scenes everything is there. It's a full package movie.
Oi, ngadi nong suan, ngadi ugang. Hakmat jo hipat, nga akum beri aktor, kum beri hero.
Ki jingrai ngilit shoot la bon jaka sha dau ki nong khnum te shani shalong ru bon sha sorai ngi shoot bon hingi. Par ba shoot ya ka jingrai baro te kumbakala release hi hapo YouTube ru te hang to ngadan I really had this fond memory of me, Daniel and Sweetie. So ngidang ya shoot ekani movie and you know hakato ka jingrai hi lalong kumba portray ya baro ka weka story. Ispang ka jing Ïaid, ispang mga nga Ïaid jano itu Ïaid jano. Te we had fun.
Aku akan enjoy.
Afalita na Haban mo takada afali akum to.
Parbanga dang shoot ya ka Haban Tony 2015. 2015 u Feb ngis dang shoot. Te 2015 hi pada December ngalit contest sa Miss Northeast.
Macam penuh mikiran.
Bab nga ngam kham la beli ai.
Balong Hey. You bloody skamjar. Unsa chimlot. Ya kaspak apau.
Phem nget se ka jing em jonga ngalarai ban IT lot betang hapit.
Namar de tang ma phi balong jonga.
Te nga kerpat na ki viewers ki nong pet ki pat ba kin let pet khnang ya ka film Haban Tony bahkan release shen hi uni usnam kadai ka film badap daka entertainment sudah phila bani ka jingshat ka jingkemen jingyam jingya ka download kadai ka full package movie te phinum long board so nga kerpat ya baro ba phin yelet bat phin pet khnang ya ka movie rishibon.
Hey! Yang ila tera jing Ïaid shisha Namar de tang ma phi balong jonga tu sa hadonu jonga baro shirta
Yang ila tiada jing
Wanrida kadeka no hikai haka school St John School Whitehall Boxe bat kadeka khun ba ar jong ba Elvis Sotton bat ikong Lorraine Pyngrope ki ba shong basa ha maulen re nalor ka kam ak Phlim ka Wanrida ka jusong tanat ru ban Ïaid model halor rensan kani ka samla ka balayo ya ka jing ai men sem bat ka jing pinchlor nalayeng kala jam shaprang haman ki kam bat kala long ru kala do ha ka wei na ki jing kop thai bhabriu ka bara pelong da ka zes even house name 8000 khatsan hanong ba Guwahati ka bala tip kum ka Miss India Northeast 2015
I brought home the crown. Modeling career. Kumban ong na being a middle class girl, ni na yang ila siya hikay bet ba kajing puli kaday banday ba kong santam. But imay paru ila ong shahi papat ngimdan na yairo banay lan na kajing puli. Dakani hi pilaban penlong beriu yalde. Nado dangret hingi baru separangi lapan fokus bet ya ha kajing puli la jang bat kumno ban penlong beriu yalde. Ngaklam yo hi ban le modeling nado dangret ru. Henry kumbang abatay ngay pi mineru ba imay pa jo nga dan bok ba ngayo kikime ki pagi balong supportive tam. Tamba ki ong ba pet kon pi ban nang ban bate ya kapor. Kanu kapor of Pyngrope kanu kapor pi pa pilet. Ngasdang kiklam Henry kiklam sha yang abangan let tan into modeling because ka I mood ba kan distract na yang anak kajing pule. So when I was in college, I think around 20 years old, ngasdang let ken ka freelancer modeling, ngasdang let ki show sang ni hang to, namar nang to hi ngasngo ba, you know, I'm more than that. Hanayeng ru ki ong hi ba, you have the personality, you have the persona, and you are not scared. You should go. So 2015, I decided that, you know, no matter what, I will go, and my parents were very supportive. Shaban mi na yeng, ngadang letang ka grooming session rum pas dang re, ngadang mi na shilong man let sa Guwahati, hindray hayeng jongi lalong kumaday puja na Diwali to kumar. They were like, okay, she'll bring home the crown, don't worry. So, and parbadan katuka showru, nganakan masa haru menta, you know, like, kiwan shibun bha kabas. Kakali sipon ba and ngatharay na ki audience ngatharay 60% kanday na yang jungi and kishong no dakamad do ani kasi my parents there ngatang ka introduction ro ngampat ay kila dahala so it was fun. Grooming session, it was fun. Ngayo ban hikay sibon ba yalde ngayo jing mentoy sibon ba ngayo jing hikay sibon ba idan I sandip charan kum ino hikay kum I mentor jungi ila dayru ibala long fashion designer ibala pau namba ishet groom ru idan kawai ka fashion groom session jong la jong hi so fashion industry jong la jong so ngalong sngu laki habasha groom hai
habaya keren pat halor ka jingsha le ben ki kinthai khna ka bajur pha hakini gisngi ki bamenta om tang shiki wei pat ki jala jong kari hendrai hangni hakari jongi ru jan man kasngi ki bakum kini ki jingja bom sngu tanan ki yaija ha ka imlang salang Wanrida kaladon kumni banong.
A crime against women, I think it starts from the parents. It starts from the parents as in kadai ka jing hikai hi jong ki Khmih ki pa ya ki khon. Lara ki Khmih ki pa hi kinang ban ai si ngi haye ngi long kumni ba nado dang ret hi ladangi le kai ne ladangi po badom ki shinrang kim dei ban rong kti ya kan thai. And that has been that. Till nado man shuang na bangidan arngot kan thai arngot shinrang shpara. So pabale kai ru ngim je rong kti and parba ya dom le teng ngim ju perkhan. So all that no like parbadan ha ka learning stage dang ret. So you already know, you have learned from your parents ba kishin rang kim ju dai ban rong kti ya kan thai habale kai ru no touching watching and dala parbadam le te em. So you know it's these small things ba ki Khmih pa ki hikaya ki khon ba ki you know like ki khlung ru ki nang and ki nang ban burom ye ki kan thai. So I feel like everything starts from home. Everything. A baby is born like a clean slate. It's we who embed everything on them. You know like ladangi hikai hi balingim hikai ladangi hikai ya ki khon ba khun kan thai ba ngim dei ban phong skirt ba lingkot ngim dei ban overshow ya ka shoulders or our body or you know so balingim hikai ya ki khon chanrang ru ba kim dei ban pen ni ki dei ban respect haka society jongi balai ka long bait ikata ka question ngasit bu hai mai ruma balai ka long bait ba ki kan thai khasi even though they are working they should be the one who is responsible of cooking, cleaning and doing all the household chores and even looking after the baby when they are small. And why is it that a man has this to go to work? Now it has changed. Ngam pinpoint re baro ki family. There are many families. Te kataru kadai kum kawai hi kajing hikai. Lara kumno pin ong ba utay usin rang ule banyahaya ka. Katay ka armen le tangba handre ka haban tre kam yeng. Te lara ki kmek pa hi na dodang red ki hikai ki khon. So ngite ban men ne para jongi lara ki obreru kin long supportive. Ladaki kmek pahi kim hikai red. So they all have this feeling, no, that manly feeling as we say, but no, we are guys, we won't do things. Kato di kam kantai, oh, you know what, ayang ajan sam, ayang ajan krishna, harian nga sarit satyar. That should not be the thing, you know, like the small things. Ngide ban rap shaya baro kini. Namar ba, we get to see baro arngut hi kiletre office. Henry dala one office and the man is like resting or reading a novel or watching news. It's like a lady who has to go and cook, clean, look after the children. Why? That is the question. And that is the question, that is the thing that, you know, the parents have to teach the little children from the start. And that again is another example that I get to see at home. Hayeng jungi kam judan discrimination as such. We all have our following duties. And what the kipara ki hinmanjong ki dan shabar manta ki puli ki tre shabar ta hinrei da one but hayeng ki dan responsibilities la jong. Mdai ba in cleaning tang ini ba idai ini ba indai ban satyar ini namar ba idai kintai. Pirusan go, it's your chores too because this is your home. And then I know for sure balara ki la let hayeng jong ki la yu obreu la shay la shisngiru, they'll go and follow that. So as I said, everything, not just charity, but I think everything starts from home.
Haba pai biang sekikam ak Phlim kawanri kadang don menta ha pedeng ka kam ban sharing dor na ka benta ka Phlim ka bathamai ka bakerteng khandai la ha ka ba hang ni pan kala shim ya ka wei ni ki benta ba khamper ka ba kala pen pau ha ka ni ka jingkran
khandai la ni dang ya shoot menta ka de ka film jong kom ba commander sang pliang te ha ka de ka film jong ki khandai la tang na ka keteng ri philas thu hi so ka film shi phang ki thai de men ha we will be portraying the real life of these people. Not anything hidden, everything fair and square, raw. Ngayo bet ki challenging characters. Hanga marway ban imagine like a storybook. Fine, Haban Tony, it's just a common thing. I wouldn't say it's not good. It's a very good movie. I learned so many things from it, and it's entertaining. Tangba now, Khandailat, I'm really loving it. Parba shoot runga sung tunat ba. Ngia shoot ru hadok had arbaje ru damian nama ba Khandailat, of course nglaban shoot nsi. Tangba I really have fun. I never get tired. It's really good. Buon sepang ka Khandailat ngam pot laban batai nama banginang ya shoot handai kandai ka jing hikai like personally as a human being ngan laban ong ba, you know, most of the time we judge people by its cover, by not knowing the person, but we don't know that what he or she is going through. Kumbanga sngonga na ladete, a person is never bad. It's the situation that makes a person bad. So what leads them to that road? That we'll get to see in this movie.
Man kasngi ya pinga Khmih Lynti kumapingan shem ken hae wadlang Ïaid sao dong perthe ya jing nganam penle no tang ya pi jing Ïaid bangan ai hakut chadem to da tingka nga Ïaid ya pi dri jing it on beteng kem good and dre pitip mo jing it jonga ngada it yapi nga it shisha.
Kumbang laongan na dumne, I love critics. I love when people share things, you know, whether it's bad. Lada kadig bad ru. I'm like a sponge actually. If it's bad ru ngasag, if it's good ru ngasag, you know. And I get to see like there are so many likes, so many comments, you know, that's like, okay, now I'm at peace. I know there'll be a full house for at least 2 weeks.
Habatwa jingmud halor ka karkhana Phlim Phlim hakne ke jila la kalala shisha ne em ban aikam aijam yaki khun samla kari kawanri kala ong balada ka sarkar ka shimkhya ban pech ban Khmih ban yarap bat kirshan klempep kan la ban aikam aijam yaki babun ki samla ban yo kamai nakani ka baki ong ka entertainment business.
So tang kata hi ba lada ka shim namar menta ka khasi film industry kalong marway te kim dan nang senran kim dan nang shania kadai betang ka personal. One personal person will invest and one personal person will get the benefit. The government is not looking at anything. The government has just washed its hands. So regarding that, only and only if the government takes initiative, then only I can see a better future. Or else if it'll be a private thing till the end, it will never be. Namar ba dare ba ka long sa ka private, still they would pay the person that much. So I don't see anything.
Everybody loves me, everybody wants me, everybody needs me, everybody, hey, talk to me.
Ngakwa ban request khnang naka sarkar bakan that it'll take initiative in it, that it'll look, I won't be sarcastic, but to just not support the movie which has come from outside, but at least to give hands to its own firm, to its own family, because the Bollywood industry has already had, we cannot even count. Why give them support? Why give them hand if they cannot give to their own family? Charity starts from home. Why can't they like start giving the support to us, to our family? Maybe they'll speak. Tamba when it will be taken into action. Because till then it'll just be a request again. We request. So katahi, we'll see. Nothing can be said.
Aku akan enjoy.
Afalita na Haban mo takada afali akum to.
Personally, nga itanat bhaya Melvin Jut Mukhem. I think he's very talented. Nga tharai ila banai ji hikai rui. He's very talented. He's very natural. And ila pau hi mentale. Ila pau bha namar ba namanta na kasap jong hi. Te I think he's the best. Nothing comes in my head rather than his name.
Aduh, duitay kan bagkalain nam setiap siap selai.
Sali, kadai bawa nasar. Terbeli ada deka nasar li. Long seram ya ben internet. Sha. Okay, untung mo. Ni ha ba tai fai. Bang kau meni thoi en sui i. Ban. Thoi i en bi dai ban tip. Dia dah. Ba i.
Cái Pay?
Ïaid siya tengah pay.
Pitip ay mapish pang zonga.
Matip lot. Bang ako Ïaid pay. Ïaid pay bro si em.
Kikantian man long. Tamba kimbure ka jing shisha. Kani ka jing ijo piparo kan sa charang.
Any one Khasi movie that I would like to mention that's like the best, I would mention my own movie, Hangamar White now.
Syam, balik pisngam, keren sih.
Ang perkara ini pi, beistom, mayan, piklawan lay berngasiyang, alingan ni rong hayang.
Hoon, ngakloy ban lej bat pi.
Mesem, bandung mikiran.
Bab yang ngam kamla beli ay.
Balong
Hey, hey. Jublani skapjar.
Usa simlot, ya kespak apau.
Phem nget sih, kajing em jonga ngalarai ban IT lot betang hapit.
Nama detang mapi balong jonga dosa hadolu.
Ada nong sun jong man, nong sun. Yak nong pina priu kumam man.